Hi guys, welcome to goonlinetrainings.com. We're going to start new online batch on data analytics using Power BI. Please attend new data analytics using Power BI demo on December 16th evening 7 p.m. IST. So this course anybody can learn. You could be BA, BCom, BSc, MCom, MBA, or maybe IT, non-IT. Any people can come into IT industry with the help of this course. You can complete this course within 3 months. The prerequisite is that you need to have SQL, then Power BI, then you need to have ETL knowledge and data warehousing knowledge, plus SSAS will be covered in this module. So the duration for the course will be 3 months. Data analytics is also called as a business intelligence. With the help of data analytics, what you do is that you understand the data, or you take the company's data, you are going to be finding a lot of insights about the data, and these insights will be given to the management of the company so that they can take beautiful decisions. Anybody can learn data analytics. No programming is required, no coding is required. We're going to be starting very basic level to advanced level concepts are going to be covered in this. Even though you have 10 years of gap, you may be housewife, you're working for a bank, or you may be working for insurance company, or you may be having educational gaps, done your graduation using evening college, you're not regular degree holder, so doesn't matter. Your age may be 35, 40s, doesn't matter. You should be able to enroll in this batch. And if you need one-to-one career guidance also, you can call the below numbers, or you can click on this link given below and subscribe this channel, or call this on this number, so that we will be able to give you proper guidance. And for the if you need some more details, you can also call me on the below numbers. Thank you guys.